How to create a project on codeblocks. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how you can create a project on codeblocks. So let's get started. First of all, you need to download codeblocks on your device. Now obviously if you wish to create a project on codeblocks, you need to have it installed, and after that you could just open codeblocks and it will take a while in order to load codeblocks. So once it's up and running, what you're going to do is you will be redirected to this interface that would say start here. So what you got to do is click on create a new project over here. So once you simply click on that, you'll be asked which type of project you wish to create. Now if for some reasons this page is not loaded in front of you and it's something like this, so what you got to do is click on file here at the top left, and then you got to click on new, and then you got to click on project. So once you click on project, you got to select the type of project you wish to create. And over here, you got to click on files, and then you got to select which type of file you wish. For example, if you wish to create a project in C or C++, you can simply click on that, then click on next, and then you can select which type of language you want. For example, if you want C, you can select C, then click on next, and then you can write down the file name with full path, and you can select the file name with full path. For example, I'm going to select this one, click on open, then click on save. And after that, what you're going to do is simply click on finish, and now you can see that your project has been created. So that was basically how you can create a project in C or C++ in codeblocks. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.